Welcome to the another video of Cambridge IT College. Today on this video we are going to see how can we install our necessary software in just in a click. When we format our computer system, we don't have any software in our system, and if you want to install all the necessary software, then we have to visit each and every official website of that software and download it manually and install it manually, which is the lengthy process and irritating process. So today on this video we are going to see how can we install all the necessary software in just in a click. So without wasting the time, let's begin. First of all, open the browser. I open the Microsoft Edge, and in the search bar just type for Ninite and hit the enter, and the search engine provide you the search result. Just visit the official website ninite.com. Here just go for down, and from here select the software which you want to install. Here you get only the open source software. You don't get the paid software in free. If you want to install the paid software, then you have to visit the official website of that software and download it manually by paying that. It will just provide you the open source software. Just mark the software which you want to install into your computer system. I just want to install Chrome, Firefox and Zoom. From here VLC media player, and I don't want to install all these things. And from here I want to install the Dropbox and TrimViewer as well as WinRAR and VS Code, and click on get your Ninite. After that, click on start download and open. Let me close the browser. Here you see the downloading process has been started, so let's wait for it to complete. If it asks for you any administrative permission, then just click on yes. Here you see it is started for preparing the setup. It is downloading the Firefox. If you want to see the detail, then you want to see the detail. It's now downloading the Firefox, installing the Firefox. Chrome is downloading. In this way you can see the details. Let's wait it for to complete. As you see, all our software has been downloaded and installed successfully. Just click on close. Here you see the software we have marked and asked for install has been installed successfully. In this way you can install the necessary software just in a click. If you want any other video dedicated on the certain topic, then mention your topic into the comment section. We will try to make the video on that topic. Thank you for watching it.